Welcome to Tropical Shores Adventures, the channel where we trade the stress of everyday life for the sound of waves, the warmth of the sun, and the magic of the Caribbean. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. Powder soft white sand slipping between your toes. Turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see. A gentle breeze carrying the scent of salt and coconut. And just beyond the shore, vibrant cultures waiting to welcome you with music, food, and stories you'll never forget. That's what Tropical Shores Adventures is all about. Here, we bring you to the heart of the Caribbean. From the iconic Grace Bay Beach in Turks and Caicos to hidden gems tucked away on islands you've never heard of, we explore the beauty, culture, and adventures that make this region unlike anywhere else on Earth. Every video is a window into paradise. You'll find travel tips to make your trip smoother, breathtaking visuals to inspire your next vacation, and insider guides that show you more than just the postcards. Because while the beaches are world-class, the real magic of the Caribbean is found in its people, its traditions, and its spirit. But let's be real. We're not just about relaxing on the sand. We'll take you kayaking through mangroves, diving into coral reefs alive with color, and walking through bustling markets where flavors and rhythms collide. Whether you're dreaming of luxury escapes or authentic cultural adventures, we've got something for you. And here's the twist. Paradise is beautiful, but it's also fragile. Part of our mission is to show you not just how to enjoy these incredible places, but how to respect and protect them. Because the Caribbean we love today is the one we want future generations to enjoy tomorrow. So if you've ever dreamed of swapping your desk for a hammock, your morning commute for a sunrise paddle, or your routine for a taste of island life, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join our community of explorers, beach lovers, and dreamers. Because paradise isn't just a destination, it's an adventure, and it starts here at Tropical Shores Adventures.